Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I'm Dr. Musyadah Ahmadun. Will be presenting my team research or project entitled Qualitative Study of Shariah-based Quality Management System MS1900 Implementation at Pahang Zakat Collection Center, Malaysia. Before I discuss a little further, let me first introduce the team project. I'm Dr. Musyadah Ahmadun, Dr. Muzalifah Monil, Sharifah Sariyatu Asal, Muhammad Izwan Ihsan, and Ku Amir Aizat Ku Yusuf. As we know, for introduction first, as we know, Zakat Institution Management in Malaysia have strived to improve the quality of their organization. This serve to ensure that zakat management service can be implemented effectively to ensure benefits for both payer and recipients. To achieve this goal, Zakat Management Center in Malaysia have taken that initiative to implement various management approaches such as strategic planning, key performance index, and a quality management system. What we know, quality management program has become a major agenda among organization management to improve the quality of service that the customer and the community at large. And for this research, the objective of this study is to explore the implementation measure of MS in a Malaysian Zakat institution. And for research needs, what we know, the Zakat institution in Malaysia is one of the responsible bodies that serve in collecting, managing, and distributing Zakat money to eligible Muslim of the Asnaf group. Among the objective of establishing a Zakat institution in Malaysia is to reduce poverty and educate the Asnaf to be independent themselves. To that, Malaysia Zakat institution have gone through many improvement system, and they have gone, improvement in terms of infrastructure, human capital, and delivery system, and they have become a role model to the nation. In addition, various improvement have been done to ensure the improvement or empowerment of zakat institution, especially in helping the asnaf. However, as we know, Malaysian zakat institutions still receive many complaints and criticism from the Malaysian Muslim community on the performance of the service being provided. Integrity issue such as finance transparency, efficiency governance, and bureaucracy were identified as a contributing factor to the problem faced by zakat institution. As an example, the issue of unaccredited amil and illegally appointed amil that took the opportunity to collect zakat fitrah from others or from society. And another research claimed that this was caused by the lack of skill among zakat institution staff and management, lack of commitment, lack of information, and the existence of weakness upholding the law. Reading research also found um, that there are still existing issues related to customer service quality, such as the zakat application process, which take a long time to complete. And another research found the lack of knowledge in the management aspect has a result in the zakat administration not being able to administer and use zakat funds effectively. Before I go into the detail regarding the study finding, let's first define what is MS1900. Sharia-based quality management system MS1900. The restructuring of the MS1900 Sharia-based quality management system was initiated through discussion and a workshop conducted by a special committee known as the ISC. Um, Several important organizations that are participant in restructuring the system include like IKIM, JAKIM, BPR, Intan, SIRIM, and Mampu, PPIM, and the expert for the International Islamic University Malaysia, IIUM. And the purpose is to provide guidance to organization and in practicing SPK that comply with Sharia needs. It also serves to encourage and nurture the practice of Islamic values in the implementation of the quality management system of the organization. So, the main principle of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 holistically are based on the Al-Quran and As-Sunnah. And for organization must identify Sharia control point through the principles that have been set, which are first, determination of halal and haram compliance. Second, compliance with all Islamic code of conduct and core value in all performance activities. And third, decision and action made are based on a maqasid Sharia. And for the research methodology for this research, first, this study utilized a qualitative approach as proposed by Gowrie and Jill. Meanwhile, case studies are used as a research strategy. And this study incorporates semi-structured interview and document review as a data collection method. And the researcher have incorporated this method by conducting interview with a 15 informant consisting of upper and a middle management employee who are actively involved in the implementation of the base quality management system MS1900 at the Pahang Zakat Collection Center. And for data analysis, researchers have used the thematic analysis method along with Atlas TI survey by recording the findings of the interview obtained according to the method that was determined by Brown and Clark. Next, we go to the result and discussion. The finding obtained from the study conducted at the Pahang Zakat Collection Center identify 10 measures to implement the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900, which are management commitment, resource management, the establishment of SPKMS 1900 Working Commitment Committee, training program, service realization, internal audit, management review meeting, external audit, and continuous improvement. So, first is about management commitment. As we know, top management of PKZP play an active role and show a high interest in launching the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 in PKZP. For the first step, by management commitment, providing exposure to all PKZP staff related to the requirement of MS1900, providing special program at the beginning of the implementation of MS1900, including appointing consultant, induction of Sharia understanding, and a special of workshop lah. And we look, Pahang Zakat Collection Center have successfully identified 17 critical Sharia issues that need to be emphasized and applied throughout the implementation of MS1900. Having Beside that, having successful obtained the MS1900 certification, the management still maintain a high level of commitment by continuing training session related to the implementation of the quality system. And for your information, the management also consult uh, the management also constantly monitor the progress of the implementation of MS1900 through discussion with the quality manager and arising a matter. And next, for resource management, the management of PKZP is highly concerned with the management of resource, example, financial resource, human resource, and infrastructure, ensure the implementation of the Shariah-based quality management system MS1900 can be implemented effectively. Although the allocation of financial and human resource in PKZP is quite limited, the management of PKZP can still provide and create a conducive, orderly, and comfortable office environment for PKZP employee to carry out activities related to the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900. So, that is the management, I think, needs to pay attention to provision of resource during the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 standard, including providing adequate financial allocation, providing ICT infrastructure facilities, providing appropriate salary scheme, loan service, and health insurance to all employees. And next, for management representative, in MS1900, the management has also established a quality management representative, ensure that the MS1900 Sharia best quality management system is developed, implemented, and maintained and more smoothly. And the quality management representative at the Pahang Zakat Collection Center have five responsibilities. First, creating a quality manual, reporting on the effectiveness of MS1900 Sharia based quality management system. Third, holding management review meetings, making continuous improvements, and ensuring the employee always prioritize customer first. Okay, and other than that, the management has also appointed a Sharia officer to ensure that all decisions regarding the implementation of the agreed upon Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 are in line with the Sharia requirement. Um, Throughout the implementation of the MS1900 Sharia-based quality management system at PKZP, the quality management representative also collaborate with all employees to produce a systematically digital document management system that is easily accessible to all employees. And this allow employee to access document more quickly and help them to carry out activity related to the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system and the zakat collection more effectively. And for establishment of a working committee to ensure the implementation of the MS1900 Sharia based quality management system runs smoothly as a plane. The management of PKZP has established a special committee on the MS1900 Sharia based quality management system to handle the planning and management, to handle the planning and management of activity, as well as a program related to the quality management system. And the Sharia committee was also established to examine and monitor the implementation of the critical Sharia issue in the context of MS1900 implementation. So, those appointed in this committee consist of experts in this field of Sharia and can use their expertise to monitor the compliance of the implementation of the quality management system according to the Sharia requirement. And finding from the study also indicate that the Sharia committee has successfully played a role in monitoring two monitoring the understanding and implementation of the critical Sharia issue to ensure the MS1900 Sharia-based quality management system can be implemented effectively and sustainably. Okay, for the training program, the study found that the management of PKZP is directly involved in managing training program for all employees. And the training program that have been implemented at PKZP are related to the Sharia-based quality management system like zakat management and Sharia principle. And the result of the study show that the training implemented at PKZP is not merely just to meet the requirement of the quality management system, but more than that, which is it served to produce human capital with strong self-identify and a spiritual strength. And for service realization, the Sharia-based quality management system state that any organization must plan and develop a process to produce a quality product or service. This process must ensure that all activities related to the production of product must be Sharia requirement. And the finding in this study have found that the management has successfully improved the work process to realize the PKZP service, which is the zakat collection service. In this regard, the management of PKZP has also provided several new amenities to the zakat payer to make it easier for them to pay a zakat lah. Said amenities are online zakat payment facilities and rebate that can be used as the instrument in terms of income tax exemption. For your information. These new amenities bring a positive impact on the satisfaction of customer where they feel comfortable using the amenities repeatedly and consistently lah. And this amenity is one of PKZP effort to increase the amount of zakat collection in meeting the needs of Asnaf, which increase annually. And in addition, the PKZP management has also been using a new strategy term like a work smart through partnership and appointed zakat figure consisting of people, religious group, celebrities, and entrepreneur to increase the amount of zakat collection. And for internal audit implementation, the management of PKZP has conducted internal audit regularly, and it is the main agenda being discussed in the management review meeting held at the end of the year. The internal audit serves to identify employees who do not abide by the work procedure and Sharia requirement. As a result, the recommended improvement to address the non-compliance will be addressed, and to ensure that the auditing station is executed as a plan, the management of PKZP has appointed 6 group leaders of auditor and several internal auditor from various divisions. Each auditor is responsible for reviewing and examining works procedure and document related to work carried out of PKZP. And next, findings from this study indicate that the management often hold a management reviewing meeting, which is held periodically, periodically at the end of every year to ensure the quality policy and 17 critical Sharia issue and the requirement of the MS1900 Sharia-based quality management system are met. The meeting also evaluate whether the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 in line with the Maqasid Sharia. The member of the management review meeting also regularly evaluate the implementation of the continuous improvement proposed by internal and external audit conducted. Other than that, The member of the management review meeting always discuss and reevaluate quality, policy, and objective so that they are always in line with the Shariah based quality management system MS1900. And for external audit implementation, this study that was conducted at the Pahang Zakat Collection Center, where audit have been carried out critically by independent accreditation bodies according to the set schedule. And the purpose of the external auditing being conducted at PKZP is to ensure that the implementation of the quality management system developed is consistently and continuously in compliance with the requirement of the Sharia-based quality management system. And also, independent accreditation body has been conducting an audit on four main aspects of the quality management system in PKZP, which are the PKZP Quality Manual, Operation Division, Administration and Finance Division, and the General Manager Officer Division. And the result of the audit found several non-conformities that need to be immediately addressed by PKZP. Okay, for continuous improvement, the findings from the study indicate that the management PKZP has conducted and identified the need for continuous improvement through customer feedback, non-conformities found during the audit, and service problem related to the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900. And the management of PKZP has placed great emphasis on several important aspects of continuous improvement, which are updating quality procedure, infrastructure development, human resource development, and risk management. Continuous improvement implemented in PKZP, as we know, help the management and staff to generate new ideas in providing convenience to all customers of PKZP. Next, for the conclusion, what we get, result indicate that all the implementation measure of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 have been implemented in an orderly and effective manner by the Pahang Zakat Collection Center, and finding found that the management has been showing a high commitment in regard to the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900. Apart from that, all of the staff Pahang Zakat Collection Center have provide a good cooperation in the implementing the Sharia-based quality management system, and the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system MS1900 has been able to address the negative issue in the zakat institutions such as lack of productivity, efficiency, and tarnish organization reputation. And the last, the implementation of the Sharia-based quality management system also have the institution to always be fair and trustworthy in terms of zakat collection service due to the existence of a predict monitoring and auditing system. That's all for me. Thank you and a very good day.